Hi team. In the last video we have already discussed that first 1 week we invest to revisit, revise all the concepts so that we begin our 12th standard journey very smoothly. Now I am emphasizing on two things: early start and early completion. As I am very happy to let you know that although we are going to start our lectures from 24th of April, we will complete our entire portion, full portion of 12th standard by 10th of October. Sir, we start on 24th of April and we complete on 10th of October. So every day you will be calling us to the classes. I have to share some more to you. In the first week of June, I am going to give you almost 10 days off. So you can say from 1st of June to 10th of June again you will have holiday. Enjoy. लाइफ बनाई उसी के लिए, बारिश का सीजन शुरू हो जाएगा, मजे मारेंगे. What we are going to do after 10th of October? We are going to have at least 5 prelims. 5 prelims. That will make you perfect. Apart from that, let me remind you, every Sunday you are going to have subject-wise, chapter-wise test. More to come. See you soon.